Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD assembly on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. This replacement guide is based on the LCD assembly with frame installed. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then disconnect the connector to take out the wireless pad, and also disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the logic board frame by undoing 6 screws and also loosen 2 screws that are securing the logic board. Next, disconnect and take out the front camera. Next, take out the logic board by disconnecting 4 connector plugs from the board. Be gentle and lift the board using a pry tool or tweezer. Next, apply the heat and take out the earpiece unit from the body. Next, move to the bottom and undo 5 screws to take out the secondary board cover with the speaker. Next, disconnect and take out the both main ribbon flex cables from the board. Next, undo 3 screws and take out the charging port board from the body. Next, apply the heat and pull out the vibrator motor from the body. Next, take out the battery from the body. First, apply the heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a car pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Now, the only remaining part is the broken front screen assembly with the frame and buttons. For the replacement, there are few different screen types in the market. The most common is the original service pack, which comes with the frame and buttons. There is another type, it is original but without the frame. But the repair job is a little bit difficult and time consuming. And the price difference is not that big. And also, there are refurbished and used screens with the frame and without. I would recommend you to go with the screen with the frame and button installed. It can be original, refurbished or used, and this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing removed parts. First, place the earpiece on the body and then place the logic board. And then secure the button flex and front camera into the board. Next, secure the logic board by adding 2 screws, and then place the frame by securing 6 screws. Next, place the battery in the body with adhesive. Next, move to the bottom and first place the vibrator motor on the body. Next, place the charging port board and secure it with 3 screws. Next, place both main flex cables and connect them from both ends. Next, place the secondary board cover by adding 5 screws. Next, before placing the wireless pad, it is good to connect the battery plug and test the screen functionality by powering up the device. Once the testing has passed, next, add the SIM tray and place the wireless pad by securing the connector. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are using screen binding clips to tie the back cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.